In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or access Google Chrome flags on your Google Chrome browser. When you talk of Flax features, we are talking of extra experimental features that you can go ahead and enable on your browser to be able to perform specific tasks. By default, these features are not enabled, but should you want to go ahead and enable them, then you need to go ahead and enable them. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. And as you can see, mine is here opened. From here, head over to this search bar here and then just type in Chrome :, and then / and then flags like that, and then hit enter. Now this will take you to these experimental features that are available, and as you can see, I have enabled one of them, and you can go through the list. There are quite a number of them. For instance, if you want Google Chrome browser to allow installation of unverified web apps, you can go ahead and enable it through here by changing the settings here to enabled like that, and then go ahead and relaunch the browser and that feature will be enabled. So that's how you can access Google Chrome flags features. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.